Hey, it's Cyrus. Welcome to this beach visualization meditation. We're going to snap our fingers and get to the beach faster than David Copperfield and bring all that beachy, relaxed energy back into our day. So get ready now by sitting or lying back into that relaxed, beachy position. And close your eyes. And as the eyes close and the body stills, take a deep breath in through the nose. Fill up the whole body with the breath. And slowly let the breath wash out of the mouth like a wave. Let's do 2 more like that. Breathe in really deep and slow. And let it wash out through the mouth. Start to pay attention to the flow of breath as you breathe in one final time, filling up the whole body. And paying attention to the flow of breath as it flows out of the mouth now. And allow your mind to start to become open and spacious as your muscles relax effortlessly. And start to imagine your current surroundings fading into the background now. And imagine a spotlight opening up and you're effortlessly emerging into a beautiful beach that your mind is starting to conjure for your enjoyment. Notice what this beach looks like in your mind's eye. Notice any unique features that the beach has. Notice what time of day it is. And if there's people there, or if you're alone. Allowing your mind to conjure the most blissful and relaxing beach on your behalf. Begin to feel the sun upon your skin and the sensation of warmth permeating all the cells. Feel your muscles becoming supple and relaxing more deeply into the warmth of the sun. Notice the sensation of the sand underneath your feet. And imagine as you walk along the beach, you allow yourself to let go and slow into a gentle stroll, feeling yourself effortlessly strolling along the beach, in tune with its effortless rhythm. Notice the sounds of the waves. Put your full attention on the gentle tones of the waves, allowing them to soothe your nervous system. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the sensation of the sand underneath your feet as you stroll, and the soothing sounds and sights of the waves all at once. Allow yourself to relax and immerse deeply into the moment and the details, as if you're really there with every part of your mind and heart. Allow yourself a moment of play now, playing with your surroundings. Perhaps you choose to run into the waves and scoop up the water with your hands. Or maybe you make a sand castle. Or you might want to fly along on a boogie board, riding the surf between the sand and the waves, totally carefree. Just take that moment of play for yourself now, like no one is watching, totally carefree. Perhaps you allow the beauty of your surroundings and that relaxed, carefree energy to bring an effortless smile to your face, to relax you more deeply than you even thought possible, just allowing those positive, relaxed energies to wash through you now. And take another moment before you say goodbye to the beach to really savor its sweetness, its details, its beauty. Really soak it up with your fullest presence and allow it to fill your tank of energy for a final couple moments. And perhaps take a moment to visualize yourself carrying this relaxed, present, beachy energy back with you into your day. See and feel what the rest of your day will look like as you intentionally bring this energy and awareness with you. And only when you feel ready, open your eyes. Allow yourself to slowly, deliberately warm back up at a gentle pace. And I invite you to set an intention to bring this energy that you've cultivated back into your day, moment to moment. See if you can live the rest of your day with that relaxed, beachy energy. And of course, when you need to move quick, do so, but bring it back to that beachy baseline, one moment at a time, as if you've cultivated a precious energy and you're bringing it back with you into each moment, like you're dripping drops of sandy gold back with you into each moment for the rest of your day. I invite you to practice this and other tracks on a daily basis to cultivate this energy and presence more and more in your daily life. And please share this track with anyone you know whom it might benefit. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day as you bring the beach with you.